Hey, what is going on? Josh here from the DeFi guys. Want to get the chance to do a Maxpread Technologies complete overview for you guys. In a previous video, I showed you guys a quick deposit. I showed you guys that this thing pays 0.6 to 1.2% per day. But in this video, we're going to dive in deeper to the compensation plan, utility, all the specifics of Maxpread Technology. So if you like the idea of making passive income with cryptocurrency in the world of decentralized finance, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So let's go ahead, let's dive into this. So Maxpread Technologies is a cryptocurrency arbitrage and P2P transaction monetization automated platform. That is a mouthful, right? So it's a platform that monetizes new economic opportunities and cutting edge solutions in inter-exchange and P2P transaction automation. Using automated search and transaction tools based on artificial intelligence, as you guys know, AI is huge right now. It provides up to 330% APR for platform users. Here's the mission. It's to give retail investors secure assets to the highly profitable P2P transactions and digital assets arbitrage market by using innovative AI-based software. That's one of those buzzwords, right? Innovative. But what does that mean specifically, right? So market volume, cryptocurrency and fiat currency arbitrage is a huge market that is in dynamic growth phase right now. The global economy, state, and the volatility of assets between 2020 and 2022 has led to even more arbitrage situations. So it looks like we've got some data over here. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit so you guys can actually see this. So trade volume in currencies of developing countries. So we've got 126 billion of the Indian rupee. We've got 74 billion Russian ruble, 72 billion Turkish lira. We've got 64 billion in Tether USD, 30 billion in Bitcoin, and 19 billion in Ethereum. So here are the P2P market issues that they state are occurring right now in the world of crypto. So cryptocurrency arbitrage and P2P transactions are among the high-risk methods of income generation, and there are objective reasons for this. Prohibition of regulators on circulation of cryptocurrency in some countries, prohibition of regulators on P2P transactions in some countries, high probability of fraud by one of the parties of the exchange transaction, high volatility of digital assets and national currencies, risks of blocking accounts and wallets for active P2P trading, low margin per transaction in the P2P trading market. Like, I don't even really know this stuff, right? But it looks like they're explaining the current problems with P2P market issues right now. Here's another one: the need to make a large number of exchange transactions to obtain significant profits. Lack of legislative basis for taxation of this earning way. Rapid obsolescence of bundles and the risk of entering a closing bundle, whatever the heck that means, right? So this is one of the reasons, guys, where it's kind of like I just learn as I go, and I try not to figure everything out all at once. But here's their solution that Maxpread Technologies does offer. Delegate your assets to the platform with Maxpread Technologies and get a predictable passive income of 0.6 to 1.2%. So I guess they're saying there's all these problems with most of the traditional arbitrage platforms that you see out there, and Maxpread is the solution for safe, secure transactions and an assurance that you'll get a predictable passive income of 0.6 to 1.2%. Now, that's what a lot of these platforms, of course, will say. In due time, we will see how legit this actually is, which is exactly why I personally started with just a $500 deposit roughly. And as this platform proves to work, then we'll begin depositing more. It's also dependent upon the marketing of this specific platform too as well. If there's a lot of influencers, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of buzz in the marketplace about this, I will also add more money to the platform as well, because that just means that it's becoming more popular and it has, legs to stand on. It's going to last quite a bit longer. So how does the Maxpread Technologies platform work? And here's all the different fundamental parts here. It automatically manages investors' assets from deposit to profit collection. So you got payment systems here, processing, server, and unique control features right here. Okay. The advantage is each step of the system is aimed at making a profit within the parameters of the system. The AI analyzes the market, assesses risks, and makes decisions on its own. Here's the advantages. It's full automation and elimination of human factor. So it sounds like it's all done through, obviously, AI. Calculation speed of up to 20,000 operations per minute. Non-stop working 24 hours a day. Instant estimation and reaction to market changes. Search and effective use of arbitrage bundles. And simultaneous access to payment systems and cryptocurrency exchanges. Exchanges all over the world. All right, so here's our roadmap. Obviously, right now we are in Q1 of 2023. So it looks like start of DEX exchange or development with liquidity pools. So they will have their own DEX. Development and testing of software to scan connections for users. Opening of MX 50K, 100K, and 250K arbitrage packages. So people that are investing amounts of 50,000 all the way up to 250,000. Official opening of the company offline. Now, again, I like how professional the website is. I like how professional the presentation is right here. I like the color scheme. Obviously, that doesn't always say much, but it says something. So let's go ahead and let's continue on to the rest of the roadmap. So Q2, opening of a new investment line of returnable deposits, launch of sales of bundle scanning software for users, launch of the new rewards plan, launch DEX exchanger with liquidity pools, and you have the launch of the 500K and 1,000K arbitrage packages, leaders event. Q3 2023, DEX exchange development starts, so on and so forth. Looks like they're going to have an IDO as well. They're going to have their own DAO. So their goal Q1 to Q4 of 2024. So when it's all said and done, they want to have 1 million users in DAO, 4 million transactions on the exchange platform per day, DEX trading volume 300 million per day, 1 million crypto wallet users. This is a goal of a lot of different platforms out there. And, this could very well happen, but we need to acknowledge that 99% of crypto is going to fail. It will fail because there's so many exchanges coming out, so many DAOs, so many platforms. It diverts attention in many, many different directions, right? So there's only so much money out there that can flow into the market. So there's a lot more money that can come into crypto, that will eventually come into crypto as well. So there's still a ton of opportunity, but there's going to be a lot of platforms that pretty much do the same thing, and they're eventually going to go to the wayside. So I'm curious to see what Maxpread Technologies is going to do to separate themselves from everybody else. So you got all the arbitrage plans right here that pay between 0.6 to 1.2% per day. You have the MX100 all the way up to MX1000K. That is a $1 million USDT deposit. We kept it simple, guys. We started with MX500, and it seems as though that it's doing its job up to this point. I'll show you guys my dashboard here in just a second. But you got the affiliate program here. You earn direct bonuses, binary bonuses. So if you're into MLM, network marketing, this may be a great platform to look into. Leadership bonuses, matching bonuses, marketing bonuses, fast start bonuses, and an infinity bonus there. So then this just breaks down all the different bonuses right here. So it's a 5% reward for recruiting a direct affiliate in your downline, from the cost of the user's arbitrage plan. So if they pick the 500 MX, you're going to get 5% of that, which was invited using your referral link. Direct bonus is paid as a one-time payment at the moment of purchase or each plan upgrade by your affiliate. You got binary bonuses as well. It's a reward that is paid for symmetric construction of a binary tree. So you have so many people on your left, you have so many people on your right. You're going to get a bonus for building that team, for building that downline. So this is the way that the specific numbers of that binary bonus works. You can see that M2 to M4, you get a 5% bonus all the way down to M22, which is a 12% bonus. And it says to activate this type of reward, you need to qualify by inviting at least one partner to the left and right with a purchased arbitrage plan worth 500 USDT or more. So to be able to activate these bonuses, you need to have team members depositing at least 500 USDT or more. And it goes on to say, in order to get the maximum binary bonus payout, it is required to allocate at least 30% of the structure's volume to the sponsor direction and the remaining 70% to the opposite direction. So again, let me read that one more time. In order to get the maximum binary bonus payout, it is required to allocate at least 30% of the structure's volume to the sponsor direction. Okay, and the remaining. So 30% of the work based off of the sponsor's performance and 70% of the work based off of the team is kind of what I'm reading here. So again, we can get more specifics on that as we move along. I've never been a whiz when it came to MLM comp plans. Nonetheless, it says binary bonus maximum reward is 400% from the value of the platform's user arbitrage plan and is paid out weekly. Saturday to UTC, the payout limit is updated yet. So binary bonus maximum reward 400%. Pretty cool. All right, so leadership bonuses here. Reach new ranks in the Maxpread Technologies career ladder and receive one-time fixed rewards. So you've got rank M1 all the way up to M22. And this is all based off of volume, the plan that you're in. So if you are an M8, you're going to get a 400 USDT bonus, $2,500 from your plan. And that's the minimum deposit that you would need to have here. First level volume, you need to have 3,000 here. Main volume, 24,000, and side volume, 24,000. So then you got the matching bonus as reward paid as a share of partner's binary income of the user's team. Matching bonus is paid to each user who has a paid arbitrage plan has placed binary income partners in both directions of the binary tree on the left and on the right. You've got the different levels right here, along with the given ranks. So marketing bonus, a reward in the form of 3% of the team volume of the platform, user for opening of the Maxpread Technologies Consulting Center. Okay. One-time payment of 2,000 USDT as a compensation of the partner's cost for opening an advisory center. Marketing bonus payment is made after the partner reaches the rank of M11. And then a couple other bonuses, the Infinity and Fast Start bonus. Fast Start bonus is a one-time payment to a partner of Maxpread Technologies for maintaining a high rate of recruitment in the first line of the team. The payment is made to all partners who have a paid arbitrage plan and have reached the rank of M1. So you got first line volume and the bonus that you'll get based off of that volume. Fast Start bonus is a temporary marketing activity and is launched at the company's management discretion. Marketing activity period does not exceed 14 calendar days. As part of the Infinity Bonus program, Maxpread Technologies distributes 3% of the profits among the leaders who have reached the highest ranks. So, okay, so this adds up to 3%. If you reach M20, you get an extra 0.5% bonus, M21, 1%, M22, 1.5%. So quite a few bonuses. And I will be 100% transparent and real with you guys. Some of that made sense. Most of it did not make sense. Again, I've learned when getting involved into MLMs and crypto MLMs is just focus on, production, focus on bringing people on board, and the numbers will work out. Now, having said that, of course, we're in the world of crypto, and I'm not a financial advisor. And this is just for pure entertainment and educational purposes only. That's what this channel is used for. So what you choose to do with this information is 100% up to you. I'm just simply documenting my journey, showing you guys exactly what it is that I'm doing. If you want to go ahead and check out Maxpread Technologies, there will be in the link in the description below. I appreciate you guys for watching this labor-intensive, somewhat laborious presentation, but nonetheless, I wanted to create it for you and get it out to you so you can make an informed decision. I'll continue to document my journey, you guys. Also, you can see that if we go over to the finance tab that we're making that daily income. So we're doing about $4 to $5 per day right now. After that $500 deposit, again, it's 0.6 to 1.2% per day. So the thing's working. What we'll do is soon enough, we'll do a withdraw and make sure that the withdrawals work for you guys and test that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it up to this point. I would recommend going to the news section. They did have a brand new weekly report that comes out every single week, and they did 6.16% in profit. And again, that's paid out to depositors of this specific platform. So I like the news that they're coming out with. I like how organized this really is. I mean, the more that I jump in the back office, the more that I kind of navigate this, the more that I'm convinced that, you know, they've got some stuff together, and that's a good thing to know. And we're going to continue to update you guys on this specific platform. And I appreciate you guys. Links are in the description. Also, if you want to test out my mastermind for the next 14 days for free, you can learn more about that in the description below as well. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next one.